Hey everybody, Steve Dooley with HomeSmart coming at you here. I'm standing inside the door at the doorway here at 2684 South Republic Avenue, which is pretty much Golf Links and Pantano area on the east side of lovely Tucson, Arizona, really close to DM, Lakeside Park, and La Paloma Academy, which is an actual school that you have walking distance to from this nice little neighborhood. So we're sitting here, we're gonna go through a walkthrough real quick and show you what this house has to offer, okay? Let's check it out. All right, here's the entryway. As soon as you come in here, you're gonna hang a left, and this is, so it's 2.5 bathrooms. This is your half bath right there. And pardon the lights, this house is for sale, but the electricity is not turned on at the moment. So you got a dining room, kitchen, and then like a living room area over here where you could park your TV and couch and stuff. Little area there. Out here you got a 1-car garage. I'm just gonna stick my head in there because it's kind of dark. But it's a 1-car garage. It's pretty deep, so you could put a car in here and then still have room for some workbenches and other things. And then outside, you got a side backyard. It's right here. I'm just gonna, and then there's a little backyard behind in the back of the house there. Let's take it upstairs. Taking it upstairs. All right, so right as soon as you come upstairs, you have a nice loft area. It's got cable hookups, so it's ready for office, den, video game area, play area for your kids, what have you. And then right off of there is your second bathroom. It's got 2 sinks, which is nice. It's good size, tub and everything. And then we'll come down the hallway here. You got your washer and dryer hookups right here. You got hookups for both gas and electric throughout the house, including the appliances, which is pretty nice. So if you have that. Bedroom number 1 on the right. Bedroom number 2. And then your master bedroom is straight down the end of the hall. And it's decent size. Again, this is 1608 square foot. So 1,600 square foot, 2-story house. 2.5 bathrooms. And then you got your sink here with your vanity and makeup station. And that's pretty much it. So let's head back downstairs real quick. Oh, who's this?
Hi.
Oh,
Hey guys!
it's the Millers.
Miller Team, AZ with Fairway, here to answer any of your lending questions. Jess has a little something she wants to tell you about this property.
Well, I just wanted to let everybody know this property is in one of the designated pathway to purchase zip codes, 85730. You can get up to 10% of the purchase price for your down payment and closing costs, which can essentially make this a 0 down loan for you. So give us a call today
0 down.
to find out if you qualify for pathway to purchase, because there are tons of zip codes, lots of houses, and we'll get you going.
Thanks,
Awesome, guys. Hey, thanks for coming over. Very cool. We're gonna wrap it up here. So that's really awesome. 0 down financing available for this place. So we are having an open house here coming up. Come out and see us. We'll post it, the date and time and the link in the comments and stuff. And this is Steve Dooley with Tucson First Real Estate and HomeSmart signing off. Later.